I'm David Fleming from the Disciples Ignited YouTube channel, where we are focused on Jesus, advancing his kingdom, and preparing his disciples. Well, we've been studying about revival outpourings throughout church history, and this week we're going to be studying about the great Brownsville revival that took place at the Brownsville Assembly of God in Pensacola, Florida. Well, after it began on Father's Day, that wonderful Father's Day in 1995, June the 18th to be exact, well, word about the revival outpouring spread quickly. Well, not only because of the internet, but through word of mouth. I mean, everybody was talking about it on the internet. There was a lady named Beth McDuffie, who was a member of Brownsville Assembly of God at the time, and she wrote this report about what was taking place. We have been having a move of God in our church for about 6 weeks now. People from 22 or more states have visited during this time, and we have had over 80,000 people come through the church doors during this time. Every night, 150 or more people are getting saved or rededicating their lives to Jesus. It's amazing what is going on. At the end of the service, there's a prayer time for people to receive blessing from the Lord. Oh, doesn't that sound exciting? Well, it wasn't long after the revival outpouring began that people from all over the nation and many foreign countries started arriving in Pensacola by planes, buses, cars, just to attend the meetings. In fact, in less than 5 months, as many as 4,000 people were attending the services each night except Saturday, although the sanctuary could only seat 2,100 people comfortably. So that means that people were crammed in the main sanctuary, the chapel, the halls, the lunchroom. Every place there could be standing room, they had somebody there. So during the first year, the services were just packed, and they were awesome, often lasting until 3 o'clock in the morning. Y'all, I was personally able to go to the services at Brownsville many times, and I'll share a little bit about that tomorrow. But I tell you what, I've never seen anything like it. I know that many of you have gone to other revival outpourings, and every revival outpouring is exciting, but this one is dear to my heart because I just saw such a manifestation of the Lord's presence pouring out his grace that changes lives. So join me tomorrow, and I'll share a little bit more about my own personal experience at Brownsville Revival. I'll see you tomorrow.